How to send money from Binance to Monzo bank account. So the step are so simple to follow if you want to withdraw money or you want to send money from Binance to Monzo bank account. After you open your Binance app like this now, go ahead and tap on this search bar. After you tap on this search bar, go ahead and type in withdraw. So if you type withdraw like this now, you'll be able to see this withdraw fiat. Withdraw fiat, so select it. After you select this withdraw fiat, allow it to finish loading. So from this option, there is two options, deposit and withdraw. Make sure you choose this withdraw. So from this option, now tap on this option to select the currency. So now go ahead and select the currency. Either you want to withdraw it using GBP or using USD. After you select the currency in this option now, you'll be able now to get this option which says receipt method. So now if you tap on this continue button, it will ask you to type in your Monzo bank account details. So all you have to do now, just go ahead and fill in the information, your bank account for the Monzo. After you type in the bank account details, from there it will ask you to type in the amount you want to withdraw. After you confirm the amount and the verification code, from there the money will be sent into your Monzo account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.